Everything you need from an expert. With a stylish square matte white finish and full of healthy air innovations and a revolutionary design for easy disassembly, we introduce the Higher Expert air conditioner. We've re-engineered the structure of the core components inside, which makes it much easier to install, disassemble and maintain. The PCB box is now placed right behind the front panel. Just unscrew the box cover, unplug the wires and remove for easy maintenance. Another incredible design feature is the disassembly of the fan and motor. Unlike complex conventional designs, all you need to do is to snap open the twin hasps and remove a single screw. And the drainage connector and control connectors are now much easier to disconnect than ever before. Now you can clean the fan and air duct whenever you need, saving you time and making it more cost effective. All new UVC Pro cleans the air that passes through by emitting UV rays and nano ions. Innovative self-clean technology removes dust and dirt on the evaporator surface to keep it clean. The 56°C SteriClean function heats the evaporator air duct and air outlet at 56°C for 30 minutes to kill bacteria and viruses. Our healthy air innovations provide healthy, clean air for a comfortable and relaxing experience. The advanced dual-blade air deflector directs airflow upwards to the ceiling in cooling mode and sends air directly to the floor in heating mode. The airflow direction control in cooling and heating mode ensures the air quickly circulates through your entire space, ensuring the temperature is balanced in every corner of the room. All this, combined with an eco-sensor on Wi-Fi standard and A+++ energy efficiency, makes the Higher Expert everything you need from an expert.